We left the old Rectory campsite about 11 o'clock. Our next destination was an 83-mile ride to a place, a village called Pole in Penzance. We picked up the A390 and the route I planned was to get us off the main A roads at some point onto some of the back roads and tracks. I'll tell you, that didn't disappoint. The weather was perfect, it was sunny, warm and dry for a change. Couldn't ask for better. But we turned off to some really good tracks and back roads. These eventually brought us back onto the A390, which took us through East Tap House, Middle Tap House, and then on to Truro, where we picked up the A394 to Penzance. once we've got through Truro on the A394, we've got to Pernis, where we again left the main A roads to some more tracks and back roads. And we got back onto the A394. We went through a place called, I don't know if it's pronounced Germo or Germo, but anyhow, we got through there, and not long after we got to Penzance. We found a campsite in the village of Pole near Mousehole. Tent up, unpacking the bike. There's shower. After we got showered and changed, we walked into the village looking for something to eat. We found the King's Arms, where the food was excellent, especially washed down with a cold beer. The church on there was a 5th century church, I later found out, called the Church of St Paul de Leo. There's a tomb there of someone called Dolly or Dorothy Penreath, who was supposed to be the last person to converse solely in the ancient Cornish language of the native tongue. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. In the next episode we're riding to Land's End.